This is where all your clothes come from. This is how they're made, from the source, from this building, you know? Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. A lot of women are here today. You can see it goes all the way to the back there. I think that's the first male worker I have seen. I don't know what brands I can show because there might be some confidentiality there. So how long does the women work per day?
10 hours.
10 hours. And you can see he's got the silver glove on to protect his hands. All of their raw materials come from China. New York, made in Bangladesh. There you go. Shipment off to New York tomorrow. The Bangladeshi people are so kind. Probably one of the kindest countries I've ever been. We were just about to leave and they came running out with the jackets. This is the jacket that they just gifted us. And this is the denim jacket. This is lovely. Okay, so assalamu alaikum or g'day and good afternoon guys from the beautiful Chittagong here in Bangladesh. Today we've actually got quite an interesting video for you guys. We are visiting a local garment factory. Now for those of you who know Bangladesh, it is one of the second biggest in the world producers of clothing, just under China. So we're going to see what a garment factory looks like today, see what clothes they're making, what brands there are, and just have a look. So we're out the front of the building here, so let's go in and check it out. Let's go, chalo. Okay, so we're just walking into the garment factory now. Assalamu alaikum.
This is the guy Taimur told us about.
Nice to meet you.
He will show us around.
Okay, amazing. Okay, so we just met the owner here in his office. He gave us a lovely cup of tea, which was really nice. Asked us, you know, where we were from, what we were doing. Honestly, the hospitality here in Bangladesh is just so amazing. So right now we're going into the garment factory to see what they have and what they make. So it should be really interesting. I've never seen a garment factory in my life. I can already hear all of the noises, let alone one in Bangladesh. So this should be really, really awesome. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's massive. Wow. This is nothing. Really?
Yeah.
This looks big to me.
No.
So are these puffer jackets?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. So many workers. So in the garment world, women are the ones who work. And as you can see, a lot of women are here today. And they're all doing the puffer jackets with the sewing machines, boxes and boxes of them. This is absolutely crazy. Wow. I thought that I could be a lot smaller than this, but this is really, really big. What do you think of this?
Crazy.
Crazy,
My
right?
goodness.
Like this is massive.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The owner said, no, this is nothing. This is small. Wow. So could you explain maybe something of what the women are doing? So the different steps?
They're stitching everything. This is the jacket we are doing.
Yep.
And we do everything from buying the fabrics and cutting and stitching.
So from start to finish, the clothes are made here.
Exactly.
Wow, okay. So coming up here, there's some different jackets as well. You can see this. Wow, amazing. So everything, not just puffer jackets, jeans and jackets and everything. You can see it goes all the way to the back there. Wow, okay. This is amazing. They've got quality checks here, checking all of the quality, if it passes or not. Wow, okay. On to the next step. Wow. So we've got a whole nother section in here as well. So in here they're doing all of the pants, all white pants. So as you can see, all of the women are doing all the same white pants. They've got their sewing machines here. Wow. This is crazy. And it's just stacks and stacks. All different production lines doing all different small bits. So one person's working on pockets, one person's working on stitching, you know, the legs of the pants together. Another one's doing quality checks. So really cool. So as it comes down the line, it gets made. This is another step, putting the zippers on. And then this is another step here, doing the other zippers. And then the last part is at the very front where they do the quality checks here. This is just absolutely crazy. So it starts at the very back.
Exactly. They have a process different, like process.
So yeah, it starts from the very back from one piece, and then each step the garment gets made and made and made to the final quality check where she'll pick off any of the loose strings or anything that's not good. And then you can see all of the loose strings down in there as well. This is very, very cool, I have to say. I think that's the first male worker I have seen. Oh, shorts.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Where would these clothes go? What country?
Different USA, Europe.
USA, Europe.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you work with any big brands? Or is it just non-branded stuff? All the big brands, okay. So he said he works with all of the big brands, it's not just non-branded stuff. I don't know what brands I can show because there might be some confidentiality there. So if I do see any logos, I might have to blur them out. It gets very crowded in here, but overall the temperature's really good. It's nice and cool. All of the workers have their own seats with cushions as well. So, you know, it's quite a good work environment. So how long does the women work per day?
10 hours.
10 hours, okay.
Then there is a break.
There a break as well, okay. My brand new limited edition luggage, the check-in 30-inch from Level 8 cases. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jack, isn't this just a plain old suitcase? What's the big hype? Well, my friends, let me tell you, this ain't your average suitcase. This bad boy right here is revolutionary. With its wide body and clever handle design, you can stuff away more in here than any normal suitcase. Now, it's all just not about the looks and space, guys. This polycarbonate shell makes it virtually indestructible and is scratch proof. My favorite part though, the smooth as butter 360 spinner wheels. They just glide like it's floating on air. Level 8 also has a massive range of suitcases to choose from. So make sure you use my code JACKTOR for a discount at checkout, and check out the link in my description to get your Level 8 case today. Tag me on Instagram once your suitcase arrives and I'll be sure to get back to you. Alright, now back to the video. So a 10-hour day, so that's pretty standard, with a break as well.
Doctor's room.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yep. Wow. Geez, that's really good. I guess with all of the staff, that's good to see a doctor's room as well. So they really look after the staff here. It's not so much what you see, you know, on those documentaries. This one is a real proper business here that follows all the safety issues. So really cool. Okay, up to the next floor. There's like 3 or 4 floors of all of this. It's crazy. Strong lad here. Wow. So you can see up and up and up we go. So many different floors. Apparently this is small, but I would say that this is a really, really big enterprise here. Wow. Okay, so this room has a lot less staff, and I'm not too sure what they're making here. This looks like aprons. I'm not sure.
So this is the cutting section.
Cutting.
Yeah.
So this is all of the raw material section. So as you can see here, all of the raw garments, and this is where they cut everything up to be used downstairs. As you can see here, massive long pieces of material here, and then it gets cut as well. So this was the jackets that we saw before?
Yes, this is for the shorts.
Wow. And you can see he's got the silver glove on to protect his hands. Yeah, I would definitely want that glove as well, let me tell you. Wow.
And this is a raw denim, the jacket.
Raw denim. Okay. Oh, I see, yeah. Yeah. So this right here is denim, so raw denim. And then this is where they're cutting everything up. And then this is all the scraps. So you can see all the scraps here of all the cutting. This is very, very interesting. So cool. So they're layering out all of the sheets here as well, and then they'll use that for cutting. Now, as you can see here, this is layered perfectly, because what happens is when they cut, they're not just cutting one garment at a time, they're cutting so much more. So you can see here, it's like 20 layers of different garments. So it makes the process a lot quicker to do it that way. Really, really cool. This behind me was the roll that guy was carrying on his head. As you can see, that is not light at all. That's very heavy. So this will come, they'll pull it all the way out to there, and then layer it down for the cutting. And then in here you can see this is their main storeroom. Now all of their raw materials come from China. Maybe only 5% of it is actually locally sourced. But yeah, everything is from China. And we've got the big strong lad here. Very good. Carrying the raw materials. So all of these materials are sorted into different categories based on what they are. So this one here, this is like a soft cotton as well. So yeah, just so cool to see that the size of this just blows my mind, right?
Yeah, massive.
So,
I used to wonder, like, where are all the women?
Yep.
Yeah, in Bangladesh, they are here working.
All the women are here working. So if you thought that they were in the kitchen cooking, no. They're here working very hard.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is where all your clothes come from. This is how they're made, from the source, from this building, you know? You take some appreciation for where your clothes come from, isn't it? All the hard work that goes in here, you know. Bangladesh is the second largest producer, as I've said, for clothing. So yeah, so cool.
Yeah, awesome.
So just before I thought we were done, there's actually a whole nother room. This is the final packing and ironing stage here. So you can see it's got little baby clothes here, ironing that. So this is the last sort of step. This is the last stage, right? The
Exactly,
packing,
so finishing
and packing and everything.
And all.
Okay, so these shorts here are getting ironed to look nice and presentable for when they sell them. Same with these shirts here. So yeah, and also in the room next door is like the innovation room. They make the garment before it gets mass produced. So they work out, you know, what measurements they need, where to cut, where to sew. So they do all of this when they make the garments as well. It's like sort of like the innovation for it. But yeah, this is just such an amazing production line. It's really cool. I don't think they get many people in with the camera because everyone's looking at me. But as you can see, and then this is the final stage, the packing. So do the workers sometimes change jobs?
Oh, no.
Same job every day.
Jobs, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So they get really good at their skill. They would be really quick at packing because they pack every single day. So as you can see, these ladies here, the final checks, they put on also the barcode as well. I might just look at this. They don't make it for 6-foot men like me. But as you can see here, she's putting on the final tags. So there you go. And then after that, all done. Into the boxes and off they go to USA, Europe, all different parts of the world. And yeah, that's the process. New York, made in Bangladesh. There you go. Shipment off to New York tomorrow. Also here behind me is the office where they do all of the costs and the sales as well, and working with the people that order the garments too. So everyone here speaks really good English because they need to talk to people internationally. So yeah, really cool to see this as well. Okay, so we just finished up in the factory there. That was so awesome.
Yeah.
And just while we were leaving, the owner said, "I've got a gift for you guys." Honestly, I'm lost for words. I really am, because the Bangladeshi people are so kind. Probably one of the kindest countries I've ever been. Honestly, like.
Yeah.
So this, we were just about to leave and they came running out with the jackets. This is the jacket that they just gifted us. So this is the one I got, the puffer jacket that you saw. And this is the denim jacket. This is lovely.
Yeah,
wow, you got the brand on there too?
Yeah.
So let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. Awesome. Wow. You know, I never thought we'd be waking up this morning, coming to see a garment factory and getting gifts.
Is it too big or?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's good.
It's good, right?
Yeah, that's good size. Wow, perfect. Oh, the hair flick. Wow, pretty. Yeah, nice. Let me see. Nice. Yeah, that's good.
Thanks.
Lovely.
It's good.
We're all kitted out. Maria's got hers on.
Hello.
Nice.
Okay.
Twinning. Yeah, cool. So very, very lovely gift. Thank you so much.